Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to link your GoDaddy domain to Google Sites. In this video, we'll walk you throughout the steps to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Google site, ensuring a seamless integration. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing guys, I will need you to go ahead and open GoDaddy.com. From here our journey will start, since we will need to get a domain so we can get to use it in our Google sites. So what we have to do, go to domains and click on search for domain names. After you do so, you will be able to see this page where you can type a domain name. This domain name can be including your brand name, it could include your name, anything that's basically you want it to be presenting for your site, or simply just random things just as you want it for your domain. So whatever thing you think of. So let's search for, let's say for example, Cristiano Miss Lando, something like that. I don't know, because I'm not creative at all, so I'm just creating some random thing. As you can see here, we have the domains. So we will have several domains that will be for cheap price, and there is other that's going to be pretty expensive. Now the difference in price will be dependent on what kind of domain you're getting. Since for example .ai will be the most, I think it's not gonna be the most, but it's gonna be pretty like heavy and expensive than the others, since it is an AI is trained in, and yeah, it's basically pretty expensive now. If you compare it with others, it's pretty expensive, and the second year tier must be like 139. So yeah, it's the double of the price, kind of. So that's pretty much what you need to know. There is the premium ones, which are very expensive, like 1k or 2k or even more. You might find websites like that are basically costing millions, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you feel like you found the website that you would like and the price, also make sure that you are reading below the price, because there will be some contract terms that you will need to check before you actually get it. For example, you will be like, woohoo, this we found like a .com website for $0.01, which is nothing. But guess what, it is only for the first year with a 3 years terms contract. So you will be paying 21 for the second and the third year, which gonna be in total of $40. Now once you feel like you wanted the one that you bought, you will simply go to the checkout and do the process. Once you're done, you go to your dashboard and go to the product that you own. You will find all the websites that you have bought right here. So what you have to do is to click on manage, and then go ahead and click on domain, and from here you simply have to click on manage DNS, as you can see. And once I am done, what you'll have to do is to remove every single record that's going to be in here. So all these records, make sure to delete them. Pretty simple. Delete records, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's remove this as well, because we don't need the WordPress thing to be added here. And yeah, that's perfect. So now we will go to the Google Sites. So let's go to Google Sites, and I'm gonna click right here, and I'm gonna go to one of my websites. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. After I clicked on that one, I'm gonna go ahead and click into the settings. From settings, go to custom domains. Here click on start setup, and through here you have to enter the domain. So let's copy this and paste it there. The domain is not verified. Verify your ownership. So continue. And now we will have to go through a couple of things, like adding new records, and basically you will have to add a specific text file, which doesn't seem like it is here. So we might be able to add it right here. 60, yep, here it is. So we'll be able to add it right here. So instructions, press start verification. Let's start verification, and as you can see here, click connect to authorize Google. Let's go ahead and click on connect, and as you may notice, the whole process will be made automatically since we have connected through GoDaddy. And basically this is only made because my account is logged in using Google on GoDaddy, and the other thing which is I'm using the same account on Google site, so they both have like connected with each other. I'm going to show you also the second method, which will include adding a text file and some other things. So my ownership is verified, so now I can go to property, and here we go, I have them here. Now I can literally, guys, go to my website and refresh the page. So I'm now on my Google site. I'm gonna refresh it. There we go, start setup, and no, it's like that. Let me just wait a little bit, and here let's start the setup and add it. Click, and as you can see, now we have to connect to third party domain registrar. So now we have to add the custom domains, so the records. So let's go here, click on CNAME, add, or basically this is what it's called here, name, and here we have to copy this as well and paste it right over here. Click on save, and updating DNS records, and it has been made by success. So click on done, and wait a couple seconds, and it has been added successfully. So now we can refresh the page. We can go to publish settings, and as you can see, this site is also viewable at www.titanltd.store. So now we have to simply copy this URL, go over here, and now since I just have added it and I have managed like the servers and DNS, so it's gonna take a while to actually load and manage to actually receive all the information from the site and appear it to us in the URL. So you just have to wait a couple minutes. It's gonna not take that long. As you can see, it already has been changing the URL page. The request URL is not found, so simply just wait a couple minutes, and after that the website should be working. You will have the SSL added in case you had it. You will have everything that you will need added inside of the URL, and you will be good to go. So with that being said, that was it for today's video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let's do a quick recap of what we did. First of all, we went to GoDaddy and we bought a domain. After that, we went to our products and went to the domains and went to manage the product of our website. So we went to manage our domain and we clicked on DNS area. So as you can see, we went to DNS and we added the DNS records of our Google site website, and right after that we have connected both websites automatically since I have my account Gmail connected to GoDaddy. So guys, with that being said, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to drop down a comment to motivate us more. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.